Okay.
You're in YouTube now?
Yes.
Hi everyone, welcome.
Hi.
And this is a special video today with Anthony, and he brought this Victa lawnmower series 500. And so what you have done so far? And what's
Okay. I've done this one. I replaced the air filter. I have replaced the piston rings as well. So that's a maintenance, periodical maintenance services. Then I got everything and even clean up the head engines, and it would not start properly. But because I knew Joe, I bought some part from him before. He was a wonderful guy. So I brought the my lawnmower and for him to have a look and see what the problem is. I'm sure he can fix it.
Hopefully.
Yeah.
So you said that you replaced the
piston ring.
Piston ring.
Yes, I did, and even I cleaned the what you call that, the
Carburetor.
Carburetor as well, and replaced the cap.
So you have replaced the
Most of the part because that's been about 20 years.
So it's not flooding.
Huh?
It's not flooding.
No.
It's not leaking.
No,
sorry,
it's not leaking at all.
Okay.
So no petrol inside. I took it out.
Okay. So have you tested the compression for this one?
I did. I tested the compression, not up to the one YouTube, your video YouTube site, but it was better than the O-ring. Yes, and it's when you pull up, you feel that it's more compressed than before.
And have you used a compression tester or just?
I did. I have one at home. Yes.
So do you know any? Remember what's the PSI? How many? Or
can't remember exactly.
No worries.
But I know that it's more than the old one.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you test the compression with the compression valve blocked, or have you removed the compression valve?
I did remove that one. I followed your video instruction.
Okay. So you don't mind if I test the compression again?
Yes, that's fine. And I also replaced the compression valve as well.
Okay.
So everything looks new and clean. Yeah.
Okay, guys. First of all, we need to test the compression for this one, and we'll see if we'll get roughly more than 60 psi. So we have this this CJ8 spark plug. So that's fine. We'll test the spark plug later on. So I have this compression tester.
Yeah.
Hopefully we use the same compression tester.
What brand is it? Looks similar.
Looks similar.
Yeah.
This one is I bought it from super cheap.
Yeah. The color similar.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, just hold this one. Just reset that because we still have 30 psi. Okay, that's fine.
I think that's about it.
So okay, we have roughly 70 psi, which is not bad. So at least 60 psi with the compression valve. So what we're going to do is we have to remove the compression valve, and do the test again. We should get roughly 80 to 90 psi.
Okay.
Just 1 second. Oops.
Okay.
So what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove the decompression valve and we block the decompression valve with another spark plug, or you can block the decompression valve with the current spark plug. So I'm using number 19 spanner. To remove that. This engine looks new, isn't it?
Yeah.
Have you replaced the decompression valve since you bought it?
That is a new one. Yeah.
You replaced a new one?
Just then.
Just then?
Yeah. When I do the periodical maintenance service,
Yeah.
I replaced that one. I replaced this one because that was leaking, and I replaced that one as well.
Because that's it. Looks brand new.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's really new.
Yeah.
Okay. So what I'm going to do is to block the compression valve port.
So reset this one, Joe, or
And
no?
reset. Yeah, reset the. Yep. And we do the test again. Okay, maybe we can. I'm not sure if they can see it. We can show them
Yeah, that's
while
fine.
it's
Yeah.
testing.
Wow, pretty good.
That's roughly. That's roughly 90.
Yeah.
90 psi. So that's a very good compression. So next is we need to. So you did a good job on replacing the
ring. Yeah.
Is there any scoring on the cylinder head?
Slightly only, but I cleaned it out. Yes. You mean the mark?
Yeah, there's a mark on the
not
cylinder
deep,
head.
just only very light.
Okay.
That's okay.
So next is we're going to. So you test the spark. And there's a spark. You think?
Yes, I did. I got a few spark plug. I did test it.
Okay. So you don't mind if I test the spark?
Yeah.
Okay.
No worry. I test with the inline spark plug tester as well. They're working fine. Yeah.
Okay, just hold this one.
Yeah.
Make sure to keep contact with
Yeah.
the.
Sure. Yeah.
Because once you accidentally release it while you're holding this spark plug, you get shocked.
Yeah.
So make sure that it's always keep in contact with the
Sure.
chassis. So let's set the run position. I can't see from here. Maybe you can confirm for me if you can see the
Yeah.
spike.
No.
No spike.
No. But I heard the spark. But
So I can't see a spike from
No.
here as well. No spike?
no.
Okay.
No spark.
So there's no spike. So I'll try to.
How about try my one and see what happens?
That's yours.
This
Yeah.
one, huh? Okay.
Okay. So we can try this one as well. It's unlikely that spark plug would be faulty because it looks new. But we can test spark plug later.
Yeah, maybe this position angle is better. Yeah, this got spark, yes. Yeah, beauty.
Spike?
Yeah,
See the spike?
beauty. Very good. Very good job. You want to
Okay.
see it? You hold it?
Yeah.
I
I'll
pull.
hold it and you pull.
Yeah. Yeah, you hold it.
Yeah, it's very good. Yeah, very good spike. Very strong. Okay,
And test that one again and see what happens.
we'll place the spark plug again. We'll see what happens. Wait. Okay.
No spark, huh?
Again. Yeah, there's a spark.
Oh, there's
Yeah.
a spark.
There's a spark.
Okay.
So they're both working with spark. So what would be the problem? So possibly you still have problem with on the carburetor side, because there's a spark. So put the compression valve again, because this one's good. And have you replaced the main jet?
The one?
The main jet. This needle here, needle.
Yes, I did. Your one. I bought from you. The metal one.
The metal?
Yes. I
Okay.
bought it from you. That one. So that's the brand new too. The cover.
Okay. I have one customer who came here with also with the Victa is not running, and we replaced some of the parts here, the cap, the middle needle, and it was working fine, and I confirmed that it was working here, and I confirmed, I checked and found that the compression was really low. So
Okay. But this compression is good, acceptable. Huh?
yeah, this compression is good.
Okay.
We can try to
Put a picture.
put a petrol. Do you have a mix?
Yes,
Mix,
already
okay.
mixed. 25
So-
to 1.
We'll use my spark plug.
Yep.
So this is also a CJ8. So for now, we'll see, because I can see a very strong spark on this one. Maybe because the spark plug is more dark, and because of contrast, you can see the spark more than the one which is new. It looks new and then more shiny. So we'll see. We'll try with this one first.
Yep. That's the one. Okay, we put petrol in.
Okay, so
Enough or more?
enough. Okay. So let's-
Strange, huh?
Okay, we'll see first if we get petrol coming on the line. No petrol coming out.
Oh, that's new too, Joe.
Huh?
That's new too.
This one's new
Yeah.
too.
That's new too.
Oh, okay, so I can't see any petrol coming. Maybe not enough. I'll double check.
Okay.
So we'll try to open maybe because of the vacuum.
Yeah.
That's impossible. The petrol level is
Good.
way almost past the filter, but we don't have petrol coming out. Oh, let's put more petrol to
Okay.
exceed, pass more on the filter. Oops, sorry. More. Okay, that's it.
Let's see that. Just what it. Because I'm driving
So-
her car.
So we have the petrol
Okay.
now. It's the level of the petrol. It exceeds the top of the fuel filter inside, but still we're not getting any.
It's dripping.
It's dripping now. It's starting to drip, but okay, it start to drip now.
Mm.
Okay.
So I've got the petrol.
So we have petrol coming.
So next.
So next is we need to see if we can start engine, prime this one.
close it.
Yeah, just close it. So we'll just make the height close to the ground so it won't accidentally hit the blade. So position to cold start, and we have enough prime.
Yeah.
Let's see if we can start the engine. Okay, still not starting. So what we're going to do is we need to see what's happening inside the carburetor.
Okay.
We possibly have a problem also on the starter o-ring, crankcase o-ring.
Ah, that's new one too.
Also new one.
Yes. New
Okay.
set. Yeah.
So let's take the top cowling first, and so can you remove this black cover so we can remove the cowling. Remove from that side. From here.
Yeah.
From here. Insert more in the wedge. Yeah. Yes, number 8. Yeah. Take three. Looks pretty like clean, very clean, looking like new.
Yeah.
To clean this,
I did.
yeah.
And I cleaned the carburetor too.
Right. So the
cut off.
the cutoff here.
Yep.
So that's the cutoff switch,
Yep.
which is
But
no, pass me that one.
this one, that's replace it.
Yeah.
The original is the shorter. The one I bought it is longer.
Yeah.
Yes.
So this one's supposed to be
All the way in.
other side. You should insert from the other side, not in the side.
What do you mean on the other side?
Other side. So you have to insert from other side here, and then it comes out here. So this wire goes
Okay.
underneath,
Okay.
not from the top.
Okay.
So
that could be the case. Huh?
even though this cutoff switch, one of the plug is inserted in the wrong way, but still this is not the reason why it won't start, because we have the spark. This is only when you can't turn off the engine. But anyway, we will fix this one properly, insert it from the other side, but this won't be the problem. So we will check something else, or possibly on this part here.
Okay.
So we'll take this one. So I think that's the right plug.
But it's longer than the original one.
You can remove this one, double check. So the pocket valve is positioned on C, which is ideal, yeah. Most of the position is position C. So we'll take the main jet. So we definitely have fuel on the chamber. So you're using the metal needle. This is our metal needle. Yeah. So which is good. So the cap already looks good. Keep the metal needle. The float still the original, and the original Victa is quite old, but I think the float, there's no problem with the float because we have fuel getting inside, and it didn't flood, so the float works. But we can still test the float with water. Place this one in the water, and we'll see if there's some bubbles coming out around the float.
Leaking.
There's some leaking. So the main jet, looks like you have one of our main jet, but we'll test the main jet. We'll get. So I'm going to test the main jet. We'll see if we can get some coming out on that side. Oh, sorry, it's careful. Nice.
Yeah, it's good.
Yeah, which is good. So what else will be the problem? Because the problem with this one is there's no fuel getting into the chamber. So we'll see if we have this vacuum. So we have the vacuum tester here.
Okay.
We're going to test for vacuum, and I'm sure that you haven't tested the vacuum for this one. Yeah, but that's okay. It's okay. Not everyone has this equipment, special equipment. So we're going to test the vacuum for the cover here at the back. So this part here.
Okay.
This part here, we're going to test the vacuum. Make sure that there's no leakage. Uh, 15 psi of. It's gradually leaking. It holds at 12 psi, but it's gradually dropping. It's not really that a concern. The engine should start even with the vacuum. It's not fully sealed, because the vacuum only to control the revs when the engine over revs, and the vacuum, and you have this vacuum coming from the battery and the flywheel here, which restrict the vibration of the diaphragm to slow down the engine. So I think that's acceptable.
So if it's leak, you have to replace the complete. Am I correct or no?
Leaking on this vacuum cap here could be this part here, or could be the cap itself, or the diaphragm. Or could be the diaphragm is not sitting properly, but we'll see. It looks like the diaphragm is sitting properly. I can't see any issue with the diaphragm. Okay, let's try to remove this one. Have a look at the type of spring you have inside. So this is the control spring, and we have the plug.
Stopper.
This is the stop switch plug.
Chỗ đó thì you know the controller, the stop one, why it cannot go up to fully?
Okay, we'll check the deflection of how far it can go. So we set to stop position and hold the run position. The stop position should hit the stopper or the plug, plug. So once it's on the stop position, it get in contact with the other side of the plug here, the pin.
Is that the correct position?
It seems like it's a correct position. So you see that.
Yeah.
And run position would be that before that it's hitting the other side of the plug. Because if we adjust this lever here, we push this plug here all the way, and it will stop the engine again at full run position. So that's pretty good. So we have here is the lifter. So the lifter should go up and down, which is okay. Okay. So I can't see any problem on the carburetor side. So the carburetor looks okay. The mechanical movements all good. The parts, diaphragm is good, soft, and there's no tear on the diaphragm. It was sitting properly on the lip. And also the control spring. This is a control spring, which is also good. So we'll place the diaphragm again, and we'll put this one back, and we have to position on C. Make sure the lip is sitting properly. Position C. And we have the return spring, and also the retaining plate. We have to put the retaining plate first. Make sure the lip is not, and the position of the power valve is still on C. This one is fine. So we have that. And make sure that there's no crack on the cover. This looks good. And that would be, the nozzle is positioned at the back, perpendicular. Okay. Could you crank the engine? An hour in the one. Just pull the pull the starter. We'll test for
Got air?
yeah. Try it again. So there's a suction on the venturi. So we need to double check the crankcase O-ring. This is replaced on. Yeah, this one. Let's remove. That's okay. check if the O-ring, there's no damage on the O-ring.
No, there's no one.
Yeah, it looks good. So the only possibility that hopefully it's not the oil seal that's leaking, that any fuel coming into the crankcase will escape through the O-ring.
I couldn't find any liquid underneath.
Because this one doesn't have any oil. You can't see leaking oil.
Is that from the two-stroke oils go into here? It go there?
Now the two-stroke oil is mixed with petrol.
Yes.
So any petrol coming in here is almost a mist.
Okay.
It's not filled with petrol, and because the petrol is when the engine combustion going that way, it sucks the any incoming petrol into the combustion.
Okay.
So we won't be able to really see if it's leaking, and unfortunately I don't have any ways to test for leaking. If you have any idea, let me know. You guys, if you have any idea how you test the leaking on the oil seal, but unlikely this is almost really good condition engine. Okay, so we'll put this one back. Okay. So
That's new O-ring too.
So O-ring is also new.
Yeah.
Okay, so we'll place this one properly with the O-ring. Sorry, the stop. So the stop switch should go from this side here,
Go up.
then up. But I doubt that this would be the problem. This is only used for stopping, to stop the engine.
Yeah. The cut off.
Yeah, the cut off, not for starting. Okay, so put this one back. So what we're going to do is we need to spray directly to the combustion with the carburetor cleaner, and we'll see if we can start the engine.
Yeah, I did spray the starter busted.
Yeah,
Liquid
directly to the air
directly
filter.
to that.
Directly to here.
Yes.
And what happens?
Didn't work. Same thing.
Didn't start.
Now.
So
That's the mystery. This one.
so we have the spark. You spray.
Yeah.
We have compression, but still didn't start.
No.
So is it could be the timing? Couldn't be the timing.
Where's the timing?
The position of the magnet, but this one is fixed. It's unlikely to have the timing issue with this one, but we can try.
The O-ring It's the correct position. The O-ring, the piston ring.
Piston ring.
Yeah, correct position.
So I'm going to install the metering lever for you.
Okay.
So here we have the metering lever. I'm going to install this one.
Did you test without water yet, Joe?
Okay, so we'll test with this one, but we'll check if the it's not deflecting properly. Okay, we'll test the float first. Okay, we test the float. If there's no bubble coming, it's on the corner, but it's all good. No, all good. Okay, so we installed the metering lever. So that works fine. Just way too far from it, from the deflection. Where's that? So this part here should be closer to the side here, and also the gap between the and way too far. So we'll take the metering lever. We'll see if that metering lever caused this problem. And just the needle is still too far from, still way too far. So we need to adjust we'll change the metal needle, and if not, we have to adjust the depth of the seat. So I'll show you what's the problem here. There's not much gap. Sorry, there's too much gap from here and also on the side here. So the chamber, outer of the chamber is on the bottom. When it's on the bottom, there's not much play to move the float up and down to close the needle valve. So a little bit of fuel will shock the valve straight away, because the float can't deflect that far. So we'll remove the needle. So the float should able to deflect that far. with a little bit of gap on the side. So here we have this nylon, so we'll try to close this one. So now we have a better deflection. Okay. So let's install this one. Make sure this one is horizontal.
Yeah.
This one's on the bottom side.
Yeah.
And not too tight because
Oh,
damage the thread.
yeah.
So we'll install the seems promising.
Secured or no?
Yeah, secure. Just insert that full starter. We'll get the full starter.
Yep.
Inside. Okay. Just load it first, so they won't close to that. Okay. Straight. Put the fuel.
Yeah, got the feel.
Yes.
Yep. Okay. Ready?
This way. This way. This one. One second. Okay. So we have fuel coming in. Have to prime. Okay. Start.
Really?
Doesn't
Scary, yeah?
doesn't stop. The contact switch doesn't stop. So because it's quite a little bit short, I think it doesn't get into the other side of the. And when we put in stop, it doesn't
Yeah.
stop. But we can try it again. We can try it again if you can start
Okay.
engine.
Or the smoker.
Yeah, so much smoke.
Have we adjusted here? Please. Adjusted here.
That's very good.
Huh?
Which one?
Can we adjust it to stop?
No, that's already on
Oh,
the
that's
full,
already-
already in the full deflection.
I hope it doesn't
So-
come off. I hope the bolt doesn't come off from the carburetor.
Okay, we'll pull this one out again.
Okay.
Pull this one and
It's
then
good now.
we'll fix that.
Is that the bolt come off?
Could be the other pin. No, it shouldn't come off. The length of the pin is quite too short.
So after this set, did you turn off?
Oh, not yet.
Be careful, don't burn your hand.
Yes, that's really, really hot.
Yeah, it's now high.
So I noticed that the engine, it's revving so high, and it's quite difficult to control. That's because of this is leaking. The
Okay.
cap. So there's not much proper vacuum to control
Okay.
the movement of the
Do
diaphragm.
you have the cap here?
I don't have the cap, but you should be able to find a cap.
Okay.
So my option advice is to replace the cap,
Okay.
and including this part here. So the whole thing, because these are two parts.
I think my mate
Yeah,
give me the old one.
yeah. The old type carburetor will fit.
Will fit?
So, yeah, will fit.
Yes,
So,
I think, yeah, my mate give me the
The-
spare one, but where it is?
this is a LM type carburetor, the G4, which is the older version. I think won't fit because it's different type, but most of the LM from I think
LM, huh?
it's 1974
Okay.
will fit. So our problem now is the contact,
The cut off.
the cutoff. Yeah, the cutoff. So this part here, this is the contact switch. If I
Yeah.
move this throttle lever, this one should win on the stop position.
Yeah.
This one should push the center pin
Mm.
like this,
Okay.
center pin.
But it didn't.
It doesn't. So it doesn't. So that rubber could be the incorrect rubber, the incorrect plug that you use. We can have a look at again, and we'll see what type of pin is this one, because it doesn't move.
If you have it.
Because we've seen it. We've seen it that the cam, it's on the stop
Touching.
position. It pushes the
pin.
pin or the plug.
Mm.
But maybe this pin is not really inserted all the way to the plug, which is also not moving. Maybe only the rubber is moving, but it's not pushing the
Okay.
pin. So we can have a look at the pin. Just take this one out. So this is the plug. So we'll see what type of so this type of pin is not for the long plug. It's not for the long plug, this one. So because
It's cut
see
off.
this slot here,
Yeah.
this is for the short plug, not for the
Okay.
long plug. The long plug is it's slightly
Like
thinner.
the red one.
Yeah, it's slightly thinner and
Yeah.
on the diameter here, and doesn't have that slot. This part
Yeah.
here, this part here.
Yeah, like the red one.
So
Yeah.
we're going to change the plug.
Yeah. Okay.
So now we have to change the plug
short
with the
one,
short
yeah.
one. Hope you can see it. You have to insert this one all the way right there. So that's where it stays. So we need to and we'll see if we can, if it moves when we
You forgot
See?
to this.
we'll check this one first if it moves. So it moves.
Yeah.
Now we can.
Do you think the new one good? Bridgestone. Engine.
Bridgestone Stratum.
Yeah.
Presence right now owns the Victa.
Yes,
The
that's
purchase.
correct. Because if you go to buy a 4-stroke only,
Yeah, they don't make
2-stroke
2-stroke anymore.
because of the America, no, because in America, California, and I think the 2-stroke is lighter than the 4-stroke. Oh, that's plug push L2, huh?
So we have to insert this one. All the way, see that? So you see that pin?
Yep.
So it's going out. So when we move this one, so you can see it's moving. Now it's moving.
Okay.
So making contact with the other pin.
Okay.
So that one should work.
So now do we change C to something?
If you want to change the...
I don't know. What do you think?
Up to you. Change?
No. Up to you. You're professional.
So position at C. We can change it to... We can change it to A. We'll see what happens.
A is slower, huh?
Hopefully, I can't remember. I have a video which shows and did some experimenting with power valve position, and I can't remember. I have to realize on that video to look at the video again.
Yeah,
and,
I think I'll watch the video.
There is a difference on the speed and revs when you position at C or position at A. So at the moment we position at A, and we'll see what happens. But we knew that this part here is
leaking.
It's leaking. It's not sealed. Okay.
Fix this, okay. Yep.
Let's start again. Let's try. Start it. So it's still quite high.
Yeah.
So position at A, see not much difference. So what we can do is to replace the cap. I have a we have a replacement cap.
Yeah.
So we try this one and then we test the vacuum. So we're going to replace the cap. Yeah, this one is also quite strong. This is the type of
spring.
Return spring, which is much harder. we can try replacing this one with the
Softer one.
softer side. Yeah,
Do you have one?
yeah.
Try it.
We'll try this one first. We'll see if it makes any difference. And we'll test the vacuum first.
How much this should be?
It's not sealing. 15, we'll see. But this one's even worse. Your one is much better. So we could replace the spring, or replace the spring with a softer one.
Yeah, try it.
So here we have a much softer spring. Make sure that we'll set it to position C again, because there's a more common position.
Can you see?
Okay, good. Okay, we can just place this one while.
It's holding, huh?
It's holding. That's better. Okay. So I just want to make sure that this venturi here from the flywheel is not blocked, so we have to clean this one.
Yeah, it's alright. It's okay. Yeah,
It's okay. Yeah. I can see the fluid going through inside. install the you have the yeah. Should be fine. Yep, that's it. Okay. That's it. Okay. Okay, let's prime. Start it.
So that means I have to reduce from the run to somewhere here.
Yeah, you don't have to. This is for you full throttle when it's a really high grass, cutting for grass,
Okay.
really tough grass. So the idle is not that
Great.
great,
Quiet.
but will do.
Okay.
So we need more. Possibly the diaphragm could be need some replacement, or even the there's a lot of factors that affects the ribs. One of the factor is the vacuum to slow down the ribs. But maybe because you change the piston rings, and it improves the
rev.
Yeah, improves the combustion and increase the ribs. So we'll tie this one.
You want to? I think I have to remove the petrol because in the car I don't want to spill in the car.
Yeah. So we'll put the cover first. Is the fuel,
yeah, the fuel, yeah.
The fuel tap is closed. Okay. You worry with the engine stop.
Okay, so we put the
So thanks for coming.
Thank you.
So what do you feel being part of the YouTube? You don't mind?
I don't mind because first of all, you help me, I help you. That's fine. And how much the damage?
It's up to him. the asking for damage cost, and it's up to him, whether from $5 or whatever he wants to give.
No, it's up to you, Joe.
Now, because I really appreciate for you being part of the YouTube, and this is a really great thing. Even free, I don't mind, but it's up to you. It's not up to me. I give you the opportunity to make an offer. So whatever you want.
Okay. So you want me to show on the YouTube too, or?
This will be uploaded in the YouTube.
Okay,
so,
no.
Yeah.
The money, the one
No,
I give
no
it to you. Okay. Yeah.
Or if you want.
No, because I think that's part of. Isn't it against YouTube policy?
Yes, it's
Yeah,
against,
it is.
against YouTube policy.
Okay.
Yeah, it's against YouTube
Just
policy.
turn off,
So
put the
yeah,
picture back, then I will fix
So-
up the bill for you.
Okay.
And
So thanks for watching, and I hope you find
Yeah.
this one informative and useful. And
Yeah.
I haven't done any Victa repairs for a long time, and for quite a while, until Anthony brought this unit for repair, and
Yeah.
we repaired this one on the
Hey,
spot.
yeah, hey, Joe, I had really confidence with him. He could do it, and that's why I brought it to him. And now he's done it, and the engine is starting, and fantastic, and pretty good, professional, Joe.
Thank
Yeah.
you.
So,
Yeah, thanks a lot. And
so-
then that's it.
so we take the fuel out.
we'll do a crank, and then we'll take the petrol out. That's wonderful. It starts
Yeah.
first go.
Yeah,
Okay.
that's fine.
So how do you? So thanks for watching, and then we'll
Okay,
empty the
thank
petrol,
you.
and see you next time.
Yeah, if you have any problem, go to see Joe.
And bye.
He's
for
a
now.
good guy. Bye now.
Thanks for watching.